Welcome to the Integris AutoDeposit tutorial. There are many benefits to signing up for AutoDeposit. It is super easy to set up. It makes e-transfers more convenient, no more having to answer those security questions. And it helps protect you against email fraud. Many fraudsters will send a realistic-looking e-transfer that they then use to steal your banking information through fraudulent links. With AutoDeposit, there's no need to click on any links. The money is simply directly deposited to your account. Let's look at this tutorial on how you will set up AutoDeposit. You may do this using both the browser and the mobile app. The first step is to navigate to Transfers, then AutoDeposit if using the browser. If using the mobile app, navigate to Interact e-Transfers, then Settings, then AutoDeposit. You will then click on Add Email. From here, you are going to choose the email that you wish to use to associate to an account. Then choose the specific account you wish funds to go into when sent an Interact e-transfer by email. Read over the disclaimers and once ready, accept them and choose Register or Update. An email has now been sent to that chosen email address. You must now go to that email address to complete the registration. This ensures there were no accidental typos when using the email address. Once that is done, navigate back to Online Banking and choose Done. Congratulations! You have now set up AutoDeposit so that when you get sent funds by email, the funds will automatically go into that chosen account. You may choose up to 5 separate email addresses going into 5 separate accounts.